Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to fix when your Hamster Kombat invite friends link is not working. So maybe you are trying to invite them and it doesn't give you coins. First of all, what you want to go ahead and do is go ahead and exit Hamster Kombat. Just basically close it like so, and once you are on Telegram, you want to go ahead again, exit it and go to settings. Now, once you are on settings, you're gonna scroll down until you see data and storage. You're gonna click on it, and where you will see storage usage, click on it. Now you want to see clear entire cache. You want to click on it and clear the cache of your Telegram. After you have done that, go back to your Hamster Kombat, click on play, and now you're gonna click on friends and invite your friends and see if that worked and fix your problem. If this video was helpful, make sure to subscribe, leave a comment down below, and I will see you next time. Bye.